Oh hey, it's Kim Cihlar from Talking Closet with Kim. Come on into my closet. Let me give you some ideas of how you can pack in your rolling carry-on for a beach getaway. I just finished everything and I'm so ready to go. Don't forget your hat, don't forget your sunglasses. I'm dreaming of the beach, I'm dreaming of a yoga retreat, I'm dreaming of sun, surf, sand. Here's some ideas of what you can pack. This is everything for 1 week, and I think I have fit so many outfits in here that you can't even imagine. You're gonna want flat shoes, so flat sandals, things that are a little bit dressy but really easy to wear when you're walking on the beach. Take a bag in case you go shopping and you can't fit things in your carry-on as you come back. I love this one. It says, "Be beautiful, be yourself," from the Not Han. I always mispronounce his name. Fabulous Zen master. Don't forget your hat so that you are covered in the sun if you need to be. Don't forget your bathing suit. Go for a bikini if you can. Where's mine? It's in here somewhere. I like hot pink. I think it makes me very happy. I know it makes me very happy. I've got a whole wardrobe planned around it. I have this moisture wicking sort of tank top t-shirt that I can wear for yoga. I can wear it jogging yoga pants, can fill the bill, can go out to dinner. You know how casual beach towns are. Don't forget your tank dresses, cotton, easy to wear as a pajama. Take it in a silk and you have, voila, your out to dinner dressy outfit. Perios. Take a scarf, like even the one I'm wearing. This is something that you could use on the beach as a towel. You can take it and wrap it around, and it can be a long perio with the hot pink tank top or tee. Then you'll need a tank top to work out in. I highly recommend the NextTribe Bold tank top, and I'll show you how to get it on the website. Here is the link. You're gonna want running shoes, very lightweight, stuff as much as you can into them. I love my Vionics. They're super comfortable. They hardly take up any weight in your baggage. Bring a bag that folds up into its own little pouch that you can stuff into the side or corner of your straw bag that you'll be carrying on the plane. And I say bring a bikini that also has a strapless ability for the top, because then you don't get lines when you're tanning, and also you could wear it as a strapless bra if you need to under one of your slips. Don't forget your sunglasses. The sun's going to be strong. You're not going to be used to it. You don't need that much. You're going to be wearing as little clothing as possible. That's the whole raison d'etre for the beach. I would love to hear what kinds of things you pack when you are getting away to the beach or a yoga retreat or a NextTribe.com retreat in Troncones, Mexico, which is where thankfully and gratefully I am headed. Leave comments below, be kind, can't wait to hear more. And in the meantime, bon voyage. Take care. Ciao. Talking Closet with Kim. Glad you joined me here.